Hello students, today we'll be drawing mandala using Illustrator. Mandalas are usually associated with Tibetan Buddhism or are also similar in design style with Indian Rangolis. It has circular symmetry and it just looks very intricate, very beautiful. So let's start. First make a grid. Since I want my design to repeat 10 times, we are going to make 10 equal parts of the artboard. So what I'm going to do is draw a single line, rotate it by 360 divided by 5 degrees. Illustrator calculates for you here, and then repeat it 5 times. So for that I'm just hitting Ctrl D 5 times. So now here we have got a grid, and you can see there are 10 equal parts of the artboard. Now I am drawing a triangle in one part of the grid. Then I'm grouping these triangles. So basically this group currently has only one triangle and nothing else. But the design we'll be drawing now will have to be drawn inside this triangle only. Why? You'll know in a minute. Now to this group, we need to apply the transform effect. Go to effect and then click transform. Inside the transform effect, there are three things we need to set. One, the angle of rotation. Since we want the design to rotate 10 times in 360 degrees, that is the full circle, we will set the angle to 360 by 10, that is 36 degrees. Again, Illustrator calculates it for you. Now second thing is to set the anchor point. So when you select something, it has 4 corners, 4 edges and a center. You need to specify where the design should be rotated. In our case, it's the lower right corner. Lastly, the third thing we need to set is to tell Illustrator how many copies we want to make, which obviously is 10 in our case. And that's it. So now you can see the triangle itself is getting rotated 10 times. You can see whatever I draw inside the triangle gets rotated and repeated 10 times. And isn't that awesome? Now you only need to make sure that you should not draw outside this guide triangle. Otherwise it will disturb the whole mandala, as the anchor point will shift to the new lower right bottom of the design. That's the anchor point we have set. And it will rotate and repeat around that corner. So now as you can see, whatever I'm drawing inside the triangle is getting copied 10 times with rotation, and that's it. So now I'm not a master in mandala design, to be honest, but I'm drawing whatever comes to my mind. So fast forwarding the video to the end result. So once you have finished drawing, simply hide the guide triangles and grid so that the only mandala design is visible. So what I've done here is a really basic design. It's not great, but we would love to see what you can make using this technique. You can use traditional design style or a modern design style, or flat colors, gradient, use shadows or any other effects, blend tool, maybe whatever. But do make your own design and whatever, use your own creativity and tag us in Instagram at Motifo Academy, and we will feature your work if it's amazing. Also, if you can screen record your process, we'll be happy to share link to your videos in the description below. That's it. That's the mandala. Go on, make one of your own.